Girl, what the fucking business? This is your thugger, Miss Lavish. I'm finna bring you one of my new motherfuckers at your ass. And I'm gonna let him slaughter you for it, chop their ass up. Chop him up right quick. You ready?
I'm ready.
Hit him.
I hop back and spit bullets that become arsenal for a loaded revolver. Then I cock back and hit bullets that become targets to a problem resolver. Revolving around in partials and casualties depart in only because of the verbal duplication of far in. After all, no part is spared upon the retards who were involved in the insults of indoor. And even if I am your mentor indoors, I'm spent off all of the hate that you've lent boss. Insightful despite the spite, but what if I done wrong? Other than put this pen to paper to give sight to you dum-dums and lame brains that maintain the mind state of a chain gang confined. And every day it's the same thing, defined by the way of how another man thinks. Then behind the scenes you blame me cause you're angry and anguish consume you every second I hang in and come back with a new song to expose truth you try to hide for too long. But truth is I'm too drawn to prove wrong everybody that said I was too dumb to influence the mass population with revelations of a true God. Plus you cartoons are like bar stools that spin till you're dizzy to stop to realize you're in the same damn bar room stuck in a spot. So no matter if you like me or not, the cameras are rolling. Tell me, did you rehearse your opening lines? Of course not, so come here and let me open your eyes wider than if you were doing opium lines. Hi.
Tip! You know what, you motherfuckers? You bitches don't know my issue. My nature is funky. You see that? That's that thunder. You bitches better get ready. I'll holler at you hoes in a minute. Lavish World, I'll holler at you. Say peace. And you haters, suck butt.